Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to take a group off Snooze on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've ever silenced a group chat and now want to start receiving notifications again, this quick guide will help turn them back on in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open X in your web browser by going to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your messages. Once the home page loads, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. From there, click on Messages to open your inbox where all your chats and group conversations are listed. Next, find the group chat that you've previously snoozed. You can scroll through your message list or use the search bar above the chat section if you have a lot of conversations. Once you spot the group you want, move your mouse pointer over it to highlight it. Now, when you hover over that group, you'll see 3 dots appear on the right side of the group's name. These 3 dots open a quick settings menu for that conversation. Click on the 3 dots to reveal the available options. From the small drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Take Conversation Off Snooze. Go ahead and click it. This instantly unsnoozes the group and reactivates message alerts for that chat, meaning you'll start getting notifications again whenever someone in the group sends a message. That's all it takes. You've successfully taken your group off Snooze on X using the updated web interface. It's a simple change but can make a big difference if you want to stay connected and avoid missing important discussions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more guides like this one for other new features and settings on X. Thanks for watching.